what's up? What are you doing at our library in this time?
Well, I'm studying for our exam. Do you know we have an exam tomorrow?
Yes, I know. What is the topic?
Well, the topic is collective noun, but I cannot understand the topic.
Oh, no worries. I can teach you. Can you give me a pen?
Yeah, sure.
Here. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Can I see the book?
Yeah, take it.
Okay, in this page, which one you don't understand? Can you tell me?
I cannot understand 3 number.
Okay, at first you need to know the definition of collective noun, okay? A collective noun is a group of person, animal or anything. Which one? Number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, in this sentence it say a flock of birds flew over the lake. In this sentence, a flock of birds will be the collective noun. The 2 number, it says the family went on vacation.
Well, here family will be collective noun, right?
Yes, can you tell me why the family is collective noun?
Because family is a group of people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, can you ask me some questions now?
Of course. A team of players won the match.
Here, team will be collective noun, right?
Yes. A team of scientists conducted the experiment.
Here, team will be the collective noun, right?
Yes. The crowd cheered the winner.
Here, crowd will be collective noun.
Yes. A pack of wolves howled at night.
A pack of wolves?
Yes.
Okay. As well, we both have exams tomorrow. Can I also ask you some questions?
Of course you can.
Okay. The audience clapped loudly after the show.
In this sentence, the collective noun will be audience.
Okay. A swarm of bees surrounded the hive.
A swarm of bees?
Yes. The committee made an important decision.
Committee.
Okay. A colony of ants marched across the floor.
In this sentence, the collective noun will be a colony of ants.
Yes, you got all of them correct. Okay, you got all of them correct. Wish you all the best for your exam.
Okay, I also wish you the best. Bye.
Bye.